Imagine risking your safety, your reputation, even your home, only to be erased from history anyway. No statue, no portrait, not even a footnote most people notice. This is the story of Lucy Freeman, a woman who helped fuel the abolitionist movement and was almost completely forgotten. There are names history repeats until they feel inevitable. Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, William Lloyd Garrison. But movements don't survive on famous voices alone. They survive because someone makes the doors open, the lights turn on, and the audience show up. Lucy Freeman wasn't a headline speaker. She didn't publish fiery pamphlets or lead daring rescues. Instead, she organized. She wrote letters, booked halls, negotiated with hostile town councils, arranged lodging, and passed the hat for donations. Without people like Lucy Freeman, many abolitionist lectures simply would not have happened. Born sometime around 1815, Lucy grew up in a modest household in New England. Records are scarce, which is part of the problem. Women like Lucy rarely left official traces. What we know comes from scattered mentions in correspondence, meeting minutes, and the margins of other people's stories. By her 20s, Lucy was attending anti-slavery meetings regularly. She noticed something others overlooked. Speakers were passionate, but logistics were chaos. Rooms were double booked, audiences misinformed, and money short. Lucy stepped in not for recognition, but because the cause needed structure to survive. As a lecture organizer, Lucy worked behind the scenes. She coordinated travel for Black and white abolitionist speakers alike, often under threat. Angry mobs, vandalized venues, and public ridicule were common. Lucy learned which towns were safe, which doors to knock on, and which conversations to avoid. Her work demanded emotional resilience. When lectures were canceled due to violence or pressure, Lucy absorbed the disappointment quietly. When speakers were exhausted or afraid, she reassured them. When donors hesitated, she persuaded. Her labor was invisible, but constant, stitching the movement together. Lucy never claimed leadership, yet younger organizers learned from her. She shared advice freely: how to keep records, how to frame invitations, how to protect speakers. In this way, her influence spread indirectly, shaping abolitionist organizing practices that later reform movements would adopt. After the Civil War, Lucy Freeman fades almost completely from the historical record. There's no grand finale, no monument. That silence tells its own story. The victory over slavery didn't automatically translate into recognition for the women who made that victory logistically possible. Remembering Lucy Freeman forces us to rethink history. Social change isn't driven only by voices at the podium, but by those arranging the room, sending the invitations, and refusing to give up when no one is watching. Lucy Freeman mattered because movements run on unseen hands.